going on, everybody, and welcome back to a new video. And today we're going to be discussing the new homebrew client, the GeForce Now, that's available on the PS Vita. So basically this client allows you to log into your GeForce Now account, play your games, view your library, and using the native inputs on the PS Vita to play all of your games. So I was having a hard time at first when I was logging in, but it seemed to kind of work after I figured out that you had to be logged in first on the web page before getting logged into your PS Vita. So if you're logging in for the first time, that handshake doesn't seem to work right away. So what I did was I logged into my GeForce account on my computer, and then I went ahead and typed in the link that was provided for me on the client. Once that was finished, all I had to do was just log in my numbers, and I was in my GeForce Now account. Now you can use the QR code to log in using your phone, but I had a hard time getting into it that way. So like I said, I just went on my computer, typed in the entire link there, and added my code, and I was able to log in no problem. Now this is an incredible feature to have on the PS Vita, because now we can use our PS Vita as a streaming cloud gaming handheld. Now this kind of followed the Green Vita, which was the Xbox cloud gaming client for the PS Vita. Now finally logged in, I was able to look at all the games that were available for me, but for some reason when I try to play a game, it just doesn't seem to work. And on top of that, I'm not able to view my library, and I do have several games streaming off of my computer that I can stream onto the PS Vita, but for some reason I'm just not able to see that. Now as far as functions go, there's not a whole lot to do except for viewing your settings, which is just your normal settings for like your stream frame rate, your rear panel pressure, L3 and R3 configuration, and your volume boost. And obviously you can hit the play button, but as long as you're able to log into your cloud, then you should be all set. But for some reason, I'm having a tough time, and it could be my internet, so who knows. Now, at one point, it said that I was logged into another account somewhere on some other device, but I could not find that anywhere. The only device that I was logged in was my Alienware, my PC, so not sure why it kept pushing that message on my PS Vita. It was just kind of frustrating because I wasn't able to really test this completely and play some of my favorite games. Now with GeForce Now, if it's working for you, you can have a free account or a free subscription that will allow you to play their games for 1 hour. So that's kind of the downside of the free trial or the free subscription. Obviously, you can upgrade so you can have more time to play and check out more of their features with GeForce Now and all of the games that they offer. But it's just incredible to see that the PS Vita has just had so much success with the homebrew community, and we're just seeing it grow constantly, and it's just amazing that something like this actually exists. And hopefully I can get this thing to work, and I'm still trying to troubleshoot why it's happening. I think it has to do something with my own account. But I thought I'd mention this awesome homebrew client here on the channel and let you guys know what it's all about. And it's a lot of fun. So hopefully I'll get this working 100%, and then we'll go through all of the fun stuff together in another video. So thank you all so much for watching. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.